How to send Robux to friends in 2025. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So first of all, if we click on the Robux option here, you can see the price of Robux is $199.99 on 24,000 Robux. So what you have to do to send it to your friend, you just have to simply click on the trade option from here, and then as you can see there is you have no inbound trade request, so you have to just click on the gift cards from here. So you can see the gift cards from here. You just have to click on the gift cards, and as I have no Robux or gift cards available here, so I have to just first buy some Robux for me, and then I can just share it to anyone. And whenever a friend receives the Robux, he has to just go to the redeem Robux codes and just paste the code I will just share with him, and then he can click on redeem and he will receive and get the Robux on his account. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one, guys.